So before I went ahead and did that stretch of fence, I'm like, oh hell, I'll just bush hog up there because it's like yay high. And I never bush hogged it the first round, so it was really high. That's what I'm saying. Okay. So then I started just bush hogging everything. And when this thing gets like, I don't know, it's a design flaw for sure. When this bush hog gets a bunch of shit in there, it has to throw it out the front because that's the only opening, right? So just, you know, you have to lift it up every once in a while and like clean it out, you know. So before I started doing this stretch over here, I'm like, well, I'll just do that. Well, I didn't think that I would do that, or I didn't want to do it right then, which I, you know, probably should have, because well, that's a slip clutch number 2. I did one 3 years ago. This is going to be the number 2 that I put in because it got full of shit and it freaking, it's like a damn, I don't know what it's like, but it's hard to compare it to something, but it shakes all the hell. It's like a dry, like a damn driveline vibration. So I got to put a new slip clutch in it. And I'm going to cut the back of this deck out. I'm going to cut the back of it out. Leave like this much of a gap on the bottom, where you can get something out. So yeah, that's what we'll do. So I got all the back all cut out, chains put back on. There's a reference point. I cut about, I don't know, 1.5 inches out, 1 3/4, something like that. Yeah, it might be a twofer. Now I need to pull the drive shaft back off and get all the clutch stuff, slip clutch stuff off. Oh, 17. Oh, those are loose. When I look down into that clutch looked broke. Get out of there. That one's a little smashed. Work on that one a little bit. Get it back in 17mm spec. That one will too. Let me grab that 11/16. It's a hair bigger. I like recording these for my memory, not just sharing things with you, to y'all. Alright, so base. There's your clutch. Yeah. There should have been one over here. Anyway, they're smoked. I can't remember if it's just the fiber here. Anywho, I'm going to go ahead and get this all cleaned up, and we're